Yesterday, I was talking to my friend about trains. She said, "The train calls at 3 stations." I looked at her and said, "Wait, what? Did the train call you 3 times?" She laughed and said, No, let me explain." So, what does call at mean here? Let's find out together. Listen and repeat after me. Call off, call off. Meaning, to cancel something. Example: They called off the meeting because of the storm. They called off the meeting because of the storm. Call back, call back. Meaning, to return a phone call. Example: I'll call you back after work. I'll call you back after work. Ready for number 3? It's very practical. Call on, call on. Meaning, to ask someone to do something. Example: The teacher called on Sarah to answer. The teacher called on Sarah to answer. Call for, call for. Meaning, to require or need. Example: This job calls for excellent communication skills. This job calls for excellent communication skills. Ready for number 5? Keep it on. We are getting closer to the quiz. Call up, call up. Meaning, to phone someone. Example: She called me up to share the good news. She called me up to share the good news. Call out, call out. Meaning, to shout or criticize publicly. Example: He called out my name. He called out my name. Call in, call in. Meaning, to ask for help. Example: The company called in an expert. The company called in an expert. Don't miss number 8. call around, call around. Meaning, to phone several people. Example: I called around to find the best price. I called around to find the best price. And here's the word that has created a puzzle in your mind. Call at. Call at. Meaning, to stop briefly at a place. Example: the train calls at 3 stations. The train calls at 3 stations. Now you know the correct meaning of call at. And the last word is call away. Call away. Meaning, to be needed elsewhere. Example: the doctor was called away during dinner. The doctor was called away during dinner. Let's review the phrasal verbs and make ourselves ready for the quiz. Listen and repeat. Call off. Call back. Call on. Call for. Call up. Call out. Call in. Call around. Call at. Call away. Quiz time! Now it's your turn. You've learned the 3 phrasal verbs and seen them in context. Let's find out how much you remember with a quick 10-question quiz. Let's start. Great job making it to the end. The more you practice phrasal verbs, the more natural your English will sound. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more practical English videos and let me know in the comments which phrasal verb you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.